Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome back to the shop. Today we are going to be forging some Texas bowls. We also offer blanks for other states at our website, www.blacksmithingblanks.com. So I was actually born and raised in Texas. I was born there and my family lived there until I was about 13. We lived in a couple of different places. We lived in Lubbock, Texas. We lived in Sherman, Texas for a while, and also Van Alstyne, Texas. And then eventually we ended up moving to Colorado area, which my family always loved visiting. I still have family that lives out there. My grandma, she used to live in Muleshoe, Texas. And my aunt and uncle, they were cotton farmers in Earth, Texas. And right now I have a sister that lives out in Texas. And I also have my brother that lives out in Texas as well. So Texas holds a special place in my heart. This video is brought to you in part by blacksmithsupplycom, where you can get anvils, hammers, tongs, fly presses, and much more. And of course, we're supported by viewers like you who purchase through our website and use our links down in the video descriptions to get things like merchandise. Now let's get back to the video. When I went to go draw up these bowls and knowing the shape of Texas, I just thought to myself, this is gonna make a perfect shape for a bowl. So I just really enjoy making up these Texas shaped bowls, and they're a blast and they're really easy. These are trinket sizes, so they're perfect for rings or candles, things like that. But these really are, they're simple. You just texture them. You could even stamp them with a heart if you wanted to, the location of a friend, a family member, things like that, and they make a fun little project. So these are how my Texas projects turned out. We have our Texas bowl, also a Texas hook, a Texas ornament, and lastly a keychain. And we have all of these up at www.blacksmithingblanks.com in addition to some extra states. Thank you for watching this video, and God bless.